So we're at the point now where we're going to pick up the stitches for the gusset shaping. And so you should be at this end ready to pick up stitches along here with the right side facing you. If you're over here, don't worry, just knit across. Now we're going to pick up one stitch or each of the slip stitches down the side. So it should be roughly one for every 2 rows that you did in your heel flap. So I like to pick up under the whole stitch at the edge. So I won't worry about counting them for a minute. I'm just going to pick them up. Hope you can kind of see where I'm working. And if I just turn it over to face me, it's this V along the edge. So that's each of the slip stitches picked up, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 across there. So I think what I'm going to do is just pick up into that stitch there. Okay. And that should just stop there being too much of a hole at that join. If I was just to go from there to there, sometimes you end up with a bit of a hole. You don't have to pick one up there, but I just feel that's going to make it a bit more stable. Okay, so I'm going to knit across these two needles, which are the top of the foot stitches, and I will come back and meet you over this side to pick back up the other way.